Chuck Crosby, the Crosby Law Office. Polly wants to sell her home, but flippers keep knocking her at her door with lowball offers. She says if she accepts one of them are there hidden costs or risks sellers don't realize when dealing with flippers. I've got some input on this, but go ahead and give me
Yeah.
an idea. Yep.
Yeah, there are plenty of issues when you're flipping. First off, the purchase price. They're going to lowball you. They're looking for a super deal. The big problem that I've run into, though, is that they will take whatever contract they've got. They will record in the county clerk's records a memorandum of contract. And then if the thing falls apart, you've got this memorandum of contract stuck in the county clerk's office. So if you do go try to sell someone else, it's not going to go very far. It's going to get stopped right there. That's where the problem that I've run into, where 10 years later, you've got something. Clearly, we know the contract, isn't valid, but you got something that you've got to deal with. And if they dig their heels in or you can't find them or something like that, that can be an issue. Like I said, did one here a couple of years ago. It was 5 years past when that memorandum was put to record, and it really created some issues. We were able to work them out, but it happens. Another thing that I'm seeing is that they will send out these contracts and they will include with them a power of attorney, and it's a fairly broad power of attorney that lets the buyer do all kinds of things with the house. I saw one the other day that arguably they could have just changed title, done a deed based on that, but it's something you want to have an attorney look at before you sign it.
Got it. If you want to see, hear, and review some of the shows, not only this one that we've done over 10 plus years, go to LouisvilleAnswers.com, LouisvilleAnswers.com.